Hi, I'm Lascelle McGowan from Scutum East and welcome to another Scutum tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add a proximity fob onto a Pyronix Enforcer system. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is enter the user menu by prompting the panel by pressing the D button and then entering the user code. This is the default code of 4 2s. We are now in the user menus. We now want to scroll through these menus until we see the option for editing users. We now want to enter this submenu by pressing yes. And again, it's asking us, do we want to add a new user? Yes, we do. It then takes us to the next available spare user slot on the system. And we want to edit this user slot. So again, we need to press yes to then start editing that slot. It's asking us for a user code. So in this instance, we're not going to enter a user code. We're going to present a proximity fob to the unit, which populates the user code. We now want to press yes to confirm this. It's now asking us what type of user we would like the fob to be. We just want it to be a standard user, so by pressing yes to that, it then asks us what areas we would like this user to be able to set and unset. We want all areas, so press yes. And again, it's asking us if we want the user to be able to set and unset the system, and yes we do. For this option, for a flexible set, I set this to yes, so then your user can have the option to set all these different levels. By pressing no, they would only ever be able to set area A. Press yes to that. We'll call it user 3 just for ease, and again press yes. We now want to exit the user menu by keep on pressing no until we see exit manager mode, and once we press yes, it will now save the data, and I'll just show you that this proximity fob is working. I won't set the system, but if we just present that, it's now asking me what if I want to set the system. I'll then press yes to start setting, but we want to press no, and that's it done.